welcome everybody to another episode of Renegade's Garage. And without further ado, we finally have a Jeep video. I know my content's been a little bit everywhere right now, but we finally are working on the Jeep today. So, me and my dad, we've been talking, and I'm going down to a very bare basic front bumper, which literally is going to be a winch plate with 2 D-rings. And Dad's been wanting my bumper for a while now. So, I need to do some modifications to my frame in the front of the old frame, because I may or may not be taking my Jeep to Sheriff's Jeep Fest in September. I don't know yet. I may just take the truck here with the rooftop tent and just hang out with my buddies up at Kingdom and ride with them. So as to that, still up in the air. We'll figure that out as we go. But for right now, I'm gonna work on removing the winch, my lights, taking the bumper off, and we'll evaluate how things are looking down there. So, come join me, won't you? Okay, got the Jeep moved to the driveway. I'm gonna put the GoPro up on time lapse, and let's start knocking this out, shall we? Okay, so quick progress update. Got the winch removed, and you can see I've been pulling out pretty hard. You can see there, I bowed it up right there. So I got my lights unhooked from my rough country switch panel. I got to unplug the fog lights and take off my winch plate. And then it'll be time to start unbolting the bumper. Okay. So, front bumper is now off. So, I think I just figured out my option for the front bumper. So the plate I was looking at online is technically for like a Rubicon or whatever, where you want to use a factory bumper, but it's a plate that mounts behind it with the winch cradled right here. So I think if I take some of the frame from the 1 ton chassis I have. I got the whole frame. I got the axles, cut a piece of the C channel out of it, got 7 inches, and technically this is going to be about 6. So put that piece of plate right here. I got some 1/4 inch plate. I'm gonna make my mount for the winch right here. I'm putting some triangulated gussets to help make sure it don't bend or anything. I think that will work. Okay, so a quick Jeep update for you guys. So the Barnes 4-wheel drive truss is all welded. I got it all painted. Got some touch up to do, but for the most part it's painted, so it's not gonna rust no more. I am really liking the new welder, the Eastwood 180, running amazing. Yeah, there's the axle. Got the lower mounts, the lower control arm mounts on, upper tie rod mount on, or tie rod, track bar. Hi, can I help you? Hi. track bar on, the upper 3-link on. Then over here on the frame, I think I had a lower bar, I had the lower links in, so I got that in. Got all the upper mounts cut off, got most of the lower mount cut off. And I'm just starting to get things sanded down so I can start mounting, because the new mounts go right here on each side in front of the body bushing, or body bushing. So little by little I will get this taken care of, and you guys will be the first ones to know as update videos come out. So guys, thanks for coming along with me on this like part 2-ish video. Guys seen some progress done on the axle. Guys got to see me take my front bumper off. Hopefully you guys comment below on your ideas, on your thoughts on my idea about the bumper, where it's literally just a piece of flat plate from the bumper was C-channeled with the piece of flat plate for the winch to mount onto. Give me your opinions on that below. But until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Pass these videos around. Help get our videos watched more often and more subscribers. I'm gonna let you guys know in a secret right now. At 500 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway, so we need to get that count up. As soon as I have more details on that, I'll let you guys be the first ones to know. But until next time, thank you everybody for watching today's video. Make sure you guys go out and work on your projects, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now you guys get to see the end of the video. I get to figure out where I'm going to put everything. Got a bumper sitting there, tools all over the fenders, a winch right there, my front hook right there, and a dog right there. So I get to clean this all up.